Hey guys, it's Max Convexity. Let's take a look at these Defiance funds and see how we finished up on the day. Big finish on NASDAQ. Look at that. Finished on the highs of the day, pretty much. Nice job. So we'd expect a full profit on that fund. Same thing with SPX. This is for JEPY. They also finished close to the highs of the day. Russell trades IWMY, or IWMY trades Russell options, I should say. They finished where they would expect about half a profit. So let's look over here on the spreadsheet and see what we have for all of them. We'll start with Russell. Russell was going for 1.3 million and only made 746,000. This takes these guys to a positive 51 cents on the month earnings per share, which is nice. It's a great month for these guys. Dividend estimates at 105. Triple QY made a full profit. They're going for 2.5. They made 2.5. This was a hellacious. Look how many points this put they sold. It was 154 points and it expired worthless. So they realized the entire gain. Of that gain, $1 million was extrinsic. Extrinsic is what they used to pay dividends with. That $1 million extrinsic, it's the biggest. Well, one time they had $2 million of extrinsic, but that was for a 2-day option. But this is the biggest single-day option they've had. Looks like down here they had a big 1-day extrinsic cost. But in any event, it was a gigantic day. Now, usually whenever the option premiums pay a lot, they have a losing day. Lots of times those are days where the market's down, but not today. Not today. I guess the number came out this morning and it was better than everyone thought, but everyone was worried about it, and that's the reason they sold this put for $154, where before they were selling puts for $107. Okay, same thing with this one. They were selling puts for $7, $8, $9, $6, $7, $8, $9, and then they're selling them for $16 all of a sudden last night. That's crazy. And they realized that whole gain. That's a $700,000 winner. That's $439,000 worth of extrinsic. JEPY's never had that much extrinsic before. It doesn't look like. I'm going back through real fast. Interesting. All right, well, that's a big day for all of those guys. Let's look and see how Trest did. Trest is down here showing a $61,000 loss in option strat. So it slipped right back in the valley of death. Now, it's not realized this loss, and it may never realize this loss. Who knows? But that's if they had to close the options now. You know, they sold these options for 67 cents. Now they're at 85 cents. They sold these options for 50 cents, and now they're at 4 cents. So that's the good news. The bad news is they bought these options for $1 and they're at 6 cents now. They bought these options for $1.10 and they're at $1.84, which is nice, but they're still underwater in this position. Their shorts are not making enough to pay for what the longs are losing right now at this point in time. All right, we shall see. I'll keep an eye on that. Someone asked me if I was going to keep an eye on Spy T. Yeah, and we're going to watch all of them. Spy T does the same trade every day, and I don't know about... I charted it one day, but I don't think it's going to be very interesting to chart. They just do an at-the-money call spread. I guess I could... Here it is. They did a little bit different today. 51.15 and 51.30 for today. Okay. Well, they did a okay. Well, they did a little bit different today. Maybe I will start doing these, but I don't think they tell us these in real time. I think we know about this now after the day's over. I'll look into that. But in any event, they just sell that call spread, trying to make the difference. Buy one and sell the other. Okay, well, let's look over here at. Let's look at buffer report. Okay, big day for the NASDAQ. It was up a point and a half today. YMAG outperformed big time. Nice job. YMAX had a nice day also, and the rest of them were in line. The rest of them did what you would expect. Got a portion of the upside. JetQ was the best of the rest. Got 1.06. That's pretty good, JetQ. That's about 3/4 of the upside. QQQY got about half the upside, as did Bali, as did THTA. Not really fair to make THTA's underline the SPX. Well, actually, I didn't. I made it the TLT. Well, in any event, it lagged the TLT too. Still had a nice day. THTA made almost a point today, 3/4 of a point. TLTW made about 90% of a point. Good job, TLTW. TRES even made money today. SVOL made money. Wonder why all these are the same. I'm beginning to think that's a mistake. What do you guys think? All right, THT, TLT, TLT, T. Maybe not. Still, though, I should have the same number on all three places for this. Well, I don't know. I guess it's what the benchmark was. I guess I should. Okay. Well, in any event, that's good. So we'll look at the single stocks, single name ETFs. Look at NVIDIA and NVIDIA. Coney outperformed Coinbase. OARC outperformed ARC. AMZ outperformed Amazon. Apple outperformed Apple. AMD outperformed AMD. TSLP outperformed TSLA. Same thing with TSLY, outperformed TSLA. Murni was in line. MSFO was in line, but PyPy outperformed. FBY was in line. Dizzo outperformed. Infly was in line. Sky outperformed. GUI was in line. YBTC was in line. Goop outperformed. Clip underperformed. MSFY was in line. MSTY was in line. Good day for all the single stock funds. iSpy did the best out of this group, out of the S&P high yielders. SPY was second, then GPIX, the Goldman Fund. Bali did well also. JEPI and JEPI and JEPY tied today, it looks like. They both gained 35/100ths of a point. It was a good day. Pretty good day all the way around. All right, I'll be back tonight with the profit boxes for tomorrow. Have a good day.